We're going to be drawing a dog like this using step-by-step guided instructions. What you're going to need is a piece of computer paper, printer paper, or any kind of paper you have. If you have paper with lines in it, you can use that too. But if you don't, this would be great to use. Ask your parents if they can get you a piece of paper. A pencil is required. An eraser is preferred. And if you can get a hold of any black marker, that would be fantastic. But if you don't, let's just go with the pencil. That'll work. Here are some things to find. The pencil. If you have any crayons or markers or colored pencils, that would be great. You can use those at the end. You're also going to need a circle that's about the size of a quarter or maybe the cap to a water bottle. You'll need to find one piece of white paper about the size of notebook paper and turn it sideways. That's the horizontal direction. The vocabulary for today is geometric shape and freeform shape. Take a look at some geometric shapes. They have special names that you all know. The freeform shapes don't have names. They may look like something recognizable, but they're really free to form themselves any way they want. We'll be using both today in our drawing. So the first thing you should do is watch the video once, all the way through, and then you'll be ready to draw the dog with the help from the video. The third step is to pause the video often so that you can catch up to the video and use it as a step-by-step guided instruction. Notice the circles for the dog's feet. We're going to need to start off with the exact same size circle, so we're going to trace something. So let's use a quarter or a water bottle cap. They're just the right size for this. You're going to place the quarter at the bottom of the page and trace around it. Hold it still with one finger and trace around it with a pencil. We need to do that 6 times. Each time the quarter is going to be moved a little bit and traced again, but don't let those circles overlap each other. Trace 6 touching circles like this. I'm speeding up a little to save some time. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now make a little mark like I'm doing between circle 1 and 2, a little mark, and then another one between circle 3 and 4. Those 2 marks are going to be connected with a big curved line. Now we're ready for another geometric shape. An oval is geometric, just like the circles were geometric. Put the oval between circle 2 and 3, and then put a little chin between 2 and 3 also. Oh, we're ready for a freeform shape. Notice it starts at the top of the head and must touch the circle. That's going to become the puppy's paw, and these ears are going to hang down so low they touch the paw. Draw another curved line that goes from the very last circle on the right over to the ear, at the top of the ear, but that's going to become the puppy's back. And then we can add a little tail pointing up in the air. There's another freeform shape. The tail is freeform. These eyes are like semicircles. So 2 semicircles, and if you want to make them sleeping, you could just add some eyelashes coming down from that straight line at the bottom. But if you want to draw in the eyes, that's what I'm going to do. Put them right inside the semicircle. It's like a smaller semicircle. Some curved lines could be the eyebrows, and little dots will be the cheeks, and they're going to be on circle 2 and circle 3. Those are the only cheeks of the puppy. All the other circles are paws. So he's got 4 paws, so we're going to put lines in 4 of the circles that are not the cheeks. You're welcome to add some spots on your puppy, as many spots as you like. You could even put some spots on the ears. And then I think I'll draw a bone underneath his chin. Try this with me. 2 straight horizontal lines, and then a freeform shape on the ends, 2 bumps. It's sort of like a heart shape sideways, and that hooks on to those 2 straight lines and looks like a bone. Now I'm drawing a zigzag line through the puppy, out the other side so it actually looks like he's laying on the grass. Give that a try. The next step is to find a marker. If you have one, you're going to go over everything now with a marker. I like black, but you could use any color that you have, even purple. Trace over all the pencil lines. Don't forget the grass. And then let's try to put a little doghouse in the back. I'm going to make the doghouse out of a square that's behind his ear with a semicircle and a triangle. These are all geometric shapes. One more geometric shape for the sun, a circle. At this point, you can color it in with whatever you have at home. Paints, crayons, markers, oil pastels, chalk, whatever you've got. When you're done, please take a picture of it and post it to our team. Don't forget to hit submit so it will go through and I can see it. Parents, you may need to help out with that part, submitting the picture. Thank you for all your help.